pound mini rock class. Now 575 cubic inches. And as we said, about 3,000 horsepower. Hang on to your seats. They're going to rock and roll. All right, Dave Richardson having some issues right off the start line, getting locked into that track. And fans, unfortunately, not going to happen over on the Super Farm side. Number 2 on the PDL circuit, 2024. That has been the way it has gone for Tyler the last couple of years. Number 2 spot there on the PDL circuit. Let's give him a nice round of applause. Tyler Slaw shaking the ground. Have no mercy. This is over on the light super stock side. Quite a bit here as Brandon's John Deere gets the job done. And in a big way, fans, better than 293, 38 to take the lead. All right, fans, it's a good one. Out entry out of Wisconsin. Tyler Slaw, show no mercy. All right, so Tyler Slaw quickly gets her shut down there after his run. But as we can see, a little bit shy of that 321.17. He takes get into that number 1 spot here tonight. We've got a tough one to beat. 321.17. Tim Meisick with the ball out tractor. He's way out there. Favorites right here, Eddie Leishner rolling out on the track with the Bobcat Jr. Definitely one to watch. Weldon, Illinois. Just like that, now the official's going to go up and check a couple things here. Check the kill switch first here to make sure that wasn't pulled as he went down the track here. See Bob Boyd out there as well, so I'll tell you, the best teams in the sport of pulling right here. USA fans, let's give her a nice round of applause. Got to be awful close to that number 2 spot here. She kind of went right down the middle of the track here. We see, looks like got that sled spotted just a little bit right of center out there. I think this is the lane you need to be in. Let's see how it's going to work out here for Little Wicked. Uh-oh. Something not to Grant's liking down there, so he quickly gets out of it. Of course, below that 100-foot mark. And there we can see up on the replay board, right about in the middle part of the track there, where he let it drift out to. All right, inside. Here comes Aftermath. They're out front right now, 1 and 2 with both of their tractors. 321.17 is our mark to beat on the mini side. On the start line here, Grant Theobald, Shelbyville, Indiana. He's only going to get one shot here. Used up his first attempt, so this will be it here for Grant. On the brake over there on the left-hand side, and we will see that up on the replay. But had to get on the brake, bring it back around there for Grant Theobald. 5 here tonight was Tyler Slaw, the show no mercy. As we've got a little bonus for you here tonight, fans. We've got 5 exhibition runs in the mini rock class. Here himself, Sidney, Illinois. Our exhibition runs here.